December is a festive month in Washington, D.C., so let's go over what the weather's like, what to pack, and what you can do in December in D.C.
Welcome to Free Tours by Foot. I'm Camden, and I'm here to take you around the world for the best travel tips, how-to guides, and tour highlights. To keep finding out more, subscribe to this channel, and if you want to join us on one of our walking tours, visit us at freetoursbyfoot.com.
If you're like me, you're always hoping for a white Christmas, but that's going to be pretty uncommon in DC because it doesn't get that cold. Daytime high temperatures early in December tend to be mostly in the lower 50s Fahrenheit, about 11 to 12 Celsius, with a few of the warmer days can reach up to 64 Fahrenheit, about 18 Celsius. Overnight lows at this time are usually in the mid-30s Fahrenheit, 1 to 3 Celsius. As the month progresses, the afternoon high temperatures generally fall into the mid-40s Fahrenheit, about 6 to 7 Celsius, and the lows are going to be about the upper 20s Fahrenheit to the lower 30s Fahrenheit, usually about -3 to -1 Celsius. It's best to dress in layers, so make sure that you bring some jackets, some coats, some hats, some gloves, some scarves. We have a whole post on what to wear and what to pack to stay warm on your December trips. Whether you are coming to Washington, D.C. in December for the holidays or just because this month happens to be what works best for you, here are our top things to do in D.C. in December. Go to a game. D.C. loves our hockey team, the Washington Capitals, who won the 2018 Stanley Cup. You can come out to see them play at Capital One Arena at some of their home games in December. You can also watch NBA here with the Washington Wizards or watch an NFL game at FedEx Field this month. See the National Christmas Tree. The lighting of the National Christmas Tree is free to visit all of December. It's located at the Ellipse, the park south of the White House, and it's a beautiful sight to see. There are also many trees from all of the states around it, a train display, and great music to enjoy as well. Just nearby, you can also find the National Menorah. If we are in the holiday spirit, there is a lot to do. From shopping at one of the many holiday markets to music and services at the National Cathedral, zoo lights at the National Zoo, and boat parades on the river. Read our Christmas in DC post to find out all the best decorations and Christmas events in the city. Take part in WREATHS Across America. WREATHS Across America is an organization that sponsors Christmas wreaths be placed on the graves at any of our military cemeteries throughout the country. But here in Washington, D.C., the big deal is Arlington National Cemetery. Volunteers of all walks of life from all over come to help lay the wreaths here. Now you can take part in this and you'll probably find one of us doing it as well. WINTERNATIONal. WINTERNATIONal is a festival that showcases the whole world in one place. The Ronald Reagan Building and International Trade Center will transform into a global marketplace where each embassy presents its country with food and art and dance and perfect holiday shopping. Enjoy a walking tour. We offer name your own price tours all year round. Our Lincoln Assassination, National Mall, Arlington Cemetery, Capitol Hill tours take place all throughout December. But specific to December, you'll also find a brand new tour, the Georgetown Glow Tour. Now what we do in this tour is we walk around Georgetown to take part in the artistic light installations that are set up just for the month of December. We lead you through the historic neighborhood to see most of the light installations while weaving stories about American and DC history and the original residents of Georgetown. There are some great things to do in DC year-round, like visiting Mount Vernon and exploring the Smithsonian's. Did you know that we offer guided tours of the Smithsonian museums? It's a great way to stay warm and explore the highlights of the museums with us. For all the things to do in DC, watch our video, 50 Things You Must Do in DC. Subscribe here so you can keep up to date on DC as well as Boston if you're heading north and NOLA if you're heading south. Visit us at freetoursbyfoot.com and tag us at freetoursbyfoot.